מזמור
not keep
קט
silent, O God,
למנצח
of my praise.
לדוד מזמור.
For the mouth of
אלוהי
the wicked
תהילתי אל
and the mouth
תחרש,
of the deceitful have
בפי
opened
רשע
against
ופי
me.
מרמה עלי
They have
פתחו.
spoken against me with a lying
דיברו
tongue.
איתי לשון
They have
שקר,
also surrounded me with
ודברי
words of
שנאה
hatred
סבבוני,
and fought against me without a cause.
וילחמוני חינם.
In return for my
תחת
love,
אהבתי
they
יספנוני,
are my accusers,
ואני
but I
תפילה.
give myself to prayer.
וישימו עלי רעה תחת
They
טובה,
have rewarded me evil
ושנאה
for good
תחת
and
אהבתי.
hatred for my love.
הפקד עליו
Set
רשע,
a wicked man over him,
ושטן
and let an
יעמוד על
accuser
ימינו,
stand at his right hand.
והישפטו
When he is
יצא
judged,
רשע,
let him be found
ותפילתו
guilty,
תהיה
and let his prayer
לחטאה.
become sin.
יהיו
Let
ימיו
his days be
מעטים,
few, and let another take
וקופדתו
his office.
ייקח
Let
אחר.
his children
יהיו
be
בניו
fatherless,
יתומים,
and his wife a
ואשתו
widow.
אלמנה.
Let his children
ונוח
continually be
ינוחו
vagabonds
בניו
and beg.
ושיעלו,
Let them seek their
ודרשו
bread also from their
מחורבותיהם.
desolate places. Let the
ינקש
creditor
נושה
seize
לכל
all
אשר
that he
לו,
has, and let strangers
ויבוזו
plunder his
זרים
labor.
יגיעו.
Let there be none to
אל
extend
יהי
mercy
לו
to him,
מושך
nor
חסד,
let there be any to favor
ואל
his
יהי
fatherless
חונן
children.
ליתומיו.
Let his posterity be cut
יהי
off,
אחריתו
and in the
להחריט,
generation following
ודור
let their
אחר
name be blotted
יימח
out.
שמם.
Let the iniquity of his fathers be
ייזכר עוון
remembered before the
אבותיו
Lord,
אל
and let not
אדוני,
the sin of his mother be blotted
וחטאת
out.
אמו אל
Let them
תמח.
be continually before the
יהיו
Lord,
נגד אדוני
that he
תמיד,
may cut off the memory of
ויחרט
them from the
מארץ
earth,
זכרם.
because he did not
יען
remember to
אשר
show
לא
mercy,
זכר
but
עשות
persecuted the
חסד,
poor and needy man,
וירדוף
that he
איש
might
עני,
even slay the broken
ואביון
in heart.
ונכאה
As he
לבב
loved cursing,
למוטט.
so let it come to
ויאהב
him.
קללה
As he did not
ותבואהו,
delight in blessing,
ולא חפץ
so let it be
בברכה,
far from him.
ותרחק
As he clothed
ממנו.
himself with cursing
וילבש
as with his
קללה
garment,
כמדו,
so let it enter
ותבוא
his body like
חמים
water,
בקרבו,
and like oil into his
וכשמן
bones.
בעצמותיו.
Let it be to him like the
תהי
garment
לו
which covers him,
כבגד
and for a
יעטה,
belt with which he girds
ולמזח
himself
תמיד
continually.
יחגריה.
Let this be the
זאת
Lord's reward to my
פעולת סוטני
accusers,
מאת
and to those who
אדוני,
speak evil against my person.